Ever wondered how AI tools like ChatGPT are turning everyday people into millionaires? Stick around because in this video, I'll show you exactly how modern entrepreneurs are building wealth with AI. Even if you're a total beginner, by the end, you'll have actionable strategies and tools to kickstart your own AI-powered income stream. Let's dive in. Here are 5 AI-driven ways people are making money right now. 1. Digital dollars with AI. First up, content creation. Tools like ChatGPT and MidJourney are revolutionizing the way we create blogs, social media posts, and even YouTube videos. For example, you could start a content agency and use AI to cut down your production time by 80%. Imagine managing 10 clients while AI does the heavy lifting. But here's the thing. Quality control is key. Don't just copy-paste AI-generated content. Add your voice, your story, your expertise. That's what makes it stand out. 2. Smart bots, big bucks. Next, AI-powered consulting. Businesses need help integrating AI tools into their workflow. If you know how to automate tasks or build chatbots, you can charge top dollar as a consultant, even if you're freelancing on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Pro tip, start by mastering tools like Zapier and OpenAI APIs. These are the backbone of automation. 3. AI-driven e-commerce. Let's talk e-commerce. Entrepreneurs are using AI to predict trends, optimize pricing, and even handle customer support. Imagine running an online store that practically runs itself. AI tools like Jasper or Shopify apps are making this possible. But here's a rookie mistake. Over-relying on AI predictions without checking the data. Always combine AI insights with your gut feeling about your niche. 4. Passive income platforms. You can even create passive income by building and selling AI models or datasets. For example, if you have expertise in a specific field, you can create an AI model for it and sell it on platforms like Hugging Face. The initial setup might take time, but the long-term payouts can be incredible. 5. Learn to earn. Finally, teach others. If you're good at using AI tools, create online courses or offer workshops. There's a huge demand for AI education, and people are willing to pay to learn. Now, let me introduce you to Sarah. She made $100K in just 6 months by automating her e-commerce store with AI. How? She used tools like ChatGPT for product descriptions, AI for inventory management, and targeted ads based on AI-driven customer insights. What's the takeaway? Focus on systems that save you time and scale your business effortlessly. Another story? John, a freelance writer who increased his income 5-fold by using AI to draft first versions of his articles. He's now taking on more clients without working extra hours. So how do you get started? Here's your beginner's guide to launching an AI-powered business in under 30 days. Step 1. Choose a niche. Are you into content, e-commerce, or automation? Pick one. Step 2. Learn the tools. Start with free resources like OpenAI's documentation or free trials of AI tools like Jasper and Canva AI. Step 3. Test small. Don't go all in. Try a pilot project to see what works. Step 4. Scale smart. Once you've nailed the basics, reinvest your profits into better tools and bigger projects. Here are some tools I recommend. ChatGPT for writing and brainstorming. MidJourney for AI-generated visuals. Shopify apps for e-commerce automation. Zapier for connecting apps and automating workflows. Now it's your turn. What's your AI business idea? Drop it in the comments and I'll help you refine it. And hey, if you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button and join me next week for AI side hustles that pay big in 2025. Remember, the AI revolution isn't just for techies, it's for anyone ready to work smart and win big. The possibilities are endless. Keep learning, keep earning, and visit theaimarketingschool.com for more. I'm Anukool, and I'll see you in the next video.